In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on TikTok so they can't see your posts, message you, or find your profile. First, find the account you want to block. You can either come across them on your For You page or search for them directly. To search, go to the Home tab, tap the search icon in the top right, and type their username. Once you've found the right account, tap their username in the video or in the search results to open their profile. On their profile page, tap the share arrow in the top right corner. A menu will appear, and in the bottom row of options you'll see Block. Tap it. A confirmation message will explain that blocking this user will stop them from messaging you, seeing your content, or finding your profile. If you're sure, tap Block again. You'll then see a confirmation that the user has been blocked. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to their profile later and unblock them.